With just a little bit of work, this frying pan will slip and slide your eggs around so easily. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this carbon steel frying pan. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this is a really, really nice steel pan. Now, it does come to you pre-seasoned. So what that means is it's already been partially seasoned. But before you use it, you need to follow the instructions to season the pan with oil. This is going to make it non-stick. And it's really easy to do. Don't let this deter you. You get your oil out, you coat the pan, you bring it up to temperature, then you let that oil smoke off and you're ready to cook. Over time, as you continue to use this, the pan is going to get more and more and more seasoned, and eventually it's going to become your favorite non-stick pan. The pan heats up really quickly, nice and easily. The wooden handle makes sure that even when the pan is hot, you can still grab a part of it that isn't. Oh, and the wooden handle detaches, so you can use this pan in the oven as well. And yes, you can use it on a gas stove, an open fire, an electric stove, a ceramic top stove, and induction stoves. Look at how easy Greg cooked these eggs in this pan after it was seasoned. If you're looking for a great carbon steel pan, we recommend this.